Hello viewers, my name is Mr.Adebanjo. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to be solving this irrational equation. We're going to be solving irrational equation in this video, and the equation we are going to be solving is the one we are having on the screen right now. We are having surd x plus 8 plus surd s plus 1 equals to 7. So we are going to solve this equation, irrational equation, and this is as a result of the uh, understanding of surd. This question originated from surd because this is surd s plus 8 plus surd s plus 1, because it is a rational number that gave us a surd, or from irrational number we got a surd from. So we have to solve this equation to get the value of x. But before we get it started, please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please click on the subscribe button on the channel so that you'll be notified whenever we post the information. Please like the video, give a thumb up, and share the video, and also drop a comment in the comment section of the video. Excuse me for that. So you are going to be solving this irrational equation, and I told you this originated from surd. So if you want to really understand this video, you may check the explanation we have made so far on surd in the playlist of this video. So there's a full video where we discuss surd from the beginning to the end. So because we are going to be using some terminologies and some other principle that are related to surd to solve this particular question. So if you want to really understand it better, you may refer to the video I made on surd in the playlist of this video. Now, before without wasting much of our time, let's get it started. Now, the first thing we'll do is that we can take this surd s plus 1 to this side. So that means we'll be having surd s plus 8 equals to 7 minus surd s plus 1. So having done that, then we can square both sides. Take the square of both sides. So we can take square of both sides, and that means you'll be having surd x plus 8 squared equals to 7 minus surd s plus 1 squared. So you have taken the square of both sides, and what does that mean? You'll be having this in two places, and you also be having this in two places as well, according to square. This means you're having s surd 8 in two places, then 7 minus surd s plus 1 in two places as well, which is what you're having here right now. Then the next thing is to open the bracket by multiplying out the brackets. But if you look at the left hand side here, if you understand the surd very well, that when you have surd a times surd a, it will give us a. So you can see that what you have inside the surd and what you have inside the surd, they are the same thing. Surd a times surd a will give us a. It's one of the rules of surd. When you are multiplying surd, you are multiplying the same surd. It gives us a. So that means surd s plus 8 times surd s plus 8 will give us s plus 8 according to this rule. Do we understand that? So from there, but this one you have to multiply this together. You have to multiply them out, because we are not having a single term here. We are not having single term here. You are having 7 minus this, so we need to multiply it out. How do we do that? 7 times 7 will give us a 49. Then 7 times minus surd s plus 1, that will give us a minus 7 surd s plus 1. Also, minus surd s plus 1 times 7 will give us minus 7 surd s plus 1. Then minus times minus will give us plus. Surd s plus 1 times surd s plus 1, according to this rule, will give us a s plus 1. Do you understand that? Then from there, we can now take the like times. How do we do that? We can move all this 49 to the other side, s plus 1 to the other side as well. So technically you'll be having x. This one comes here, it become minus x, then plus 8. 49 comes here, it become minus 49. Then 1 comes here also, we'll be having minus 1 equals to minus 7 sod x plus 1 minus 7 sod x plus 1. So that's what you're having here right now. Then from there, we can take the lighter, we can sum s minus s will give us 0. 8 minus 49 will give us minus 41. Then minus 1. That will give us minus 42. Then we know that the minus 7 sod s plus 1 minus 7 sod s plus 1 will give us minus 14 sod s plus 1. We can see this one as minus 7a minus 7a. That will give us minus 14a. So the same thing is applicable here. You'll be having minus 14 sod s plus 1. So from there, we can divide both sides by minus 14. If you divide both sides by minus 14, this divided by minus 14 will give us 3. So minus 14 cancel minus 14 and you have sod s plus 1 left. Then what do we do next? We can take square of both sides so as to eliminate the square root. So you take the square of this, you take the square of this as well. So you'll be having s squared equals to sod s plus 1 squared. So from there, what do we have? 3 squared will give us a 9. Then this also means this in two places. So we have sod s plus 1 in two places. So which we can multiply together according to the sod a times sod a will give us a. So that means sod s plus 1 times sod a plus 1 will give us s plus 1. So from there, you can collect like times. You have x to be equal to 9. Then take 1 to the other side, you have 9 minus 1. Then you'll be having s to be equal to 8. So that means for that irrational, let's go back, this irrational equation, the value is our s is going to be 8, and we can cross check that. If you put your s here to be 8, 8 plus 8 will give us 16. So sort of 16 will give us 4 here, plus 8 plus 1 will give us 9. Then sort of 9 is 3, so 4 plus 3 will give us was 7. So we can see that of a truth, the value of x is what is 8. So I hope you understand how we solve this question step by step. It's very simple if you understand the principle of sword. So if you understand the video, if you like it, please share the video, give a thumb up, drop a comment in the comment section of this video. And in this next video, we are going to be solving more technical question on irrational equation. So thank you and God bless you.